everyone. Welcome back to our channel Wall Curtains. Today we have an exciting and eco-friendly DIY project for you. We'll be making a beautiful flower vase using plastic bottles and hot glue. It's not only a great way to repurpose plastic bottles but also a fantastic addition to your home decor. So let's jump right into it. Step 1. Gather materials. The first step is to gather all the materials we need. You can find most of these items at home: plastic bottles, hot glue guns, acrylic paint and brushes, scissors, and decorative elements, ribbons, beads, etc. Step 2. Prepare the plastic bottles. Start by removing any labels and cleaning the plastic bottles thoroughly. Once clean, use scissors to cut the bottles at the desired height for your vase. Step 3. Create a base. Take one of the cut bottle pieces and apply hot glue around the rim. Press it firmly onto a flat surface, creating a stable base for your flower vase. Step 4. Decorate with hot glue. This is where the magic happens. Use the hot glue gun to create intricate designs on the surface of your vase. You can make swirls, dots, or any pattern you like. This not only adds a decorative touch but also strengthens the structure. Step 5. Optional painting. If you want to add some color to your vase, now is the time. Use acrylic paint and paint brushes to give your creation a personalized touch. Step 6. Add final touches. To finish off your plastic bottle flower vase, consider adding decorative elements like ribbons, beads, or any other embellishments you have on hand. And there you have it, a beautiful flower vase made from plastic bottles and hot glue. It's amazing what you can create with a bit of imagination and some common household items. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more creative DIY projects. Happy crafting!